Welcome to our pothole repair presentation. In this video we're going to cut and remove a small damaged area and then install new asphalt. So firstly we identify the pothole to be repaired and we mark it out accordingly. Cut along the lines as marked, cut to a depth that will allow you to remove the asphalt, using a little bit of water to suppress the dust and to allow the blade to keep cool. After cutting, remove the damaged asphalt from the patch and prepare the area by removing any loose debris. Once we have a nice neat patch free from loose materials, apply bitumen emulsion, or what we call tack, to all the edges of the patch. The tack provides a seal and improved adhesion between the new and old asphalt. Spread asphalt over the prepared area and rake to a height slightly above the existing asphalt to allow for compaction. Please note, a little more care is taken spreading the asphalt in this instance, as there is a gate latching point right in the middle of the patch. It is important to note that hot mix asphalt is received from the plant at approximately 170 degrees Celsius. It will cool down somewhat by the time it is spread in the patch, however it is still well and truly hot enough to burn your skin, so be careful. Please make sure you clean up any loose materials and compact the asphalt. When compacting, ensure the compactor plate is damp to prevent the asphalt from sticking to it. Firstly, compact the edges by approximately 50 to 100 ml before passing over the entire repair area no more than twice. Please note that it is important to act quickly, as the asphalt will be losing temperature. It's not a bad idea if you have a chance to clean up any rough edges, as it gives the finished job a much neater appearance. Clean up the area by removing any loose materials and apply a light dusting of sand to reduce the stickiness of the new patch, which in turn reduces the risk of premature wear in the following days after installation. Thank you for watching this presentation by Jackson Asphalt. Please subscribe to our channel for more exciting information about the world of asphalt.